Ardell lashes are the perfect enhancement to any look. Follow these simple steps for full, beautiful lashes. What you need. First, pour a small amount of adhesive into the dampen dish. Hold tray in one hand and tweezers in another to have full control. Using tweezers, gently pull one lash at a time. Slanted tweezers work the best. Dip the root base of lash into the adhesive. A dab at the tip is all you need. Place over natural lashes onto the hair in one sweeping motion, and start at the end, working your way towards the inner corner of your eye. Individual lashes are applied to the hair and not the skin if using lash-tight adhesive, which can last up to 7 days. If you prefer one-day wear, use lash grip adhesive in place of the lash-tight. Remember, if using lash-tight adhesive, remove individual lashes with Ardell's lash-free remover.